Hello, good morning, educators. My name is Fadiana Fatima Andoro. I'm from Vocational High School Pharmacy Ditkasat. I will say thank you for giving me the opportunity to follow this competition. I want to explain my argument about the motion this House believe against that environment movement should launch violent campaign major policy companies. First, pollution is a dangerous and unsafe substance that causes environmental contamination. If ignored, pollution can damage the environmental and disrupt the activities of living things, including humans, animals, and plants. Types of pollution include land, air, and water pollution. Types of pollution can harm all elements of their contents. The negative impact of water pollution include the contamination of rivers, like and even seized by hazardous substances such as industrial waste and pesticides which disrupt aquatic ecosystem. Similarly, air and land pollution caused by emission from motor vehicle and open burning can cause adverse health effects, particularly on the respiratory system. Furthermore, land pollution can cause environment damage such as decreased soil fertility and water quality and pose serious health risks to humans. The deliberating action of polluting companies that cause pollution unjustly harm many things. It is imperative that the environmental movement launch a violence campaigns against large polluting companies as a peaceful and prudent method cannot stop uh, them from polluting. For years, peaceful protest, petition, and negotiation have been ine- ineffective and even ignored, even in getting these companies to change. In in protest, forceful or disruptive measures were required to overcome strong resistance and achieve real impact. Without serious pressure, including disruptive action, polluting companies tend to remain steadfast and continue to ignore this protect, prioritizing profit over the health and safety of those around them. Therefore, judging by the many peaceful protests that have been ignored, violent campaigns are a valid and a very necessary strategy to create a sense of urgency and for change for a polluting companies to protect the environment before irreversible damage occur. So, large polluting companies with immense economic and political power inability them to ignore environment regulation and concern. Peaceful protests are often ignored or even dismissed, leading to demonstrations that could have been peaceful becoming displaced by more impactful forms of violence protest. So, uh, judging by the many peaceful protests that have been ignored, violent campaigns are valid and very necessary strategy to create a sense urgency and force change for polluting companies to protect the environment before irreversible damage occur. Okay, thank you for your attention. Uh, thank you.